Matootie Tales. Matootie Tales. Matootie Tales.
Welcome to Matootie Tales. Thanks for tuning in. This month's theme is Bird Day. Everyone has a birthday. If you didn't, then you wouldn't be alive. Like, literally. I know. Now, not everyone celebrates their birthday. But you know what? You should. Everyone should have a good one on their birthday. How do you celebrate yours? Nice. Well, if you happen to have a birthday during lockdown, don't worry. A lot of people will be having their birthdays during lockdown. But it's okay. We can make life fun. It's up to you to make it fun. If it is your birthday this month, we would love to know. Message us on Instagram and we'll give you a shout out at the end of the month. This next story is called, you guessed it, Happy Birthday. And this was written by the person controlling me. Hope you enjoy it. And remember, if you likey, give a subscribe or likey or sharing. Okay, thanks for watching. Hey, Eli? You know what day it is? What day is it? It's your birthday! All that? I don't usually celebrate my birthday. What? You should always celebrate your birthday. Every day is just another gift. Another great day to be alive. Why do you call it Bird Day? I just like calling it that because it's a fun day. I just like to make everything about it sound fun and silly. Okay, thanks heaps, but I think I'll still pass on the whole celebration thing. Okay. You know what? You can tell your friends whatever you want from them. You can do whatever you want to do because it's your birthday. It's your birthday. You know what? How about I try and make it fun for you, huh? And we do whatever you want to do because it's your birthday, it's your birthday. Okay, fine. If we do it, will you still calling it birthday? Okay. Let's celebrate your birthday. Let's see how it goes. Just putting it on takes very long.
Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching.